In today's video, we'll be talking about user role-based access and permissions in Rivery. So in the Rivery console, you do have the option to create multiple environments. So most customers choose a dev, a QA, production, but in some cases there are different lines of business that will use Rivery. So you could have an HR, finance, so on and so forth. But because each line of business may have their own dedicated users, you want to have role-based access throughout. So for that reason, I can go into my settings and choose my users. So at the moment, I'm in my own account. There are no more users currently. But if I were to come over and hit new user, you simply need to log in using an email address and include the person's first name and last name. And then you can choose if you want to set them as admin, meaning they have full capabilities across all environments, or choose role-based access per environment. So if you hover over each individual role, you'll notice that there are different capabilities, such as managing all your settings, or allowing all capabilities except connections, or simply read-only permissions. So each individual role has its set of capabilities, and you can then set those at the environment level. For example, if I wanted to add Jean to my account, I can set her as a developer in dev, but then maybe just a viewer in production. So she's only going to be able to view what's currently running in production. She won't be able to create any new rivers. And then from there, I want to restrict her access from any other lines of business. So when Jean logs in, she'll only see two environments here, a dev and a production, but she'll only be able to view what's running in production, and any other line of business will not be accessible to her account. Similarly, if you would like to log in using single sign-on, Rivery also allows you to authenticate using any SAML token, so Okta, Azure AD, so on and so forth. And then from there, you can set your default role for any new users who are added. That is dependent on the certain plan within Rivery. So if you are interested in single sign-on, please reach out to your account manager and we'll be happy to set that up for you. And then lastly, based on certain administrative settings, you can have a certain audit log to determine who has logged in, who has created, updated, or deleted any pipelines based on your account. And again, this audit view is only available for certain plans. And that does it for role-based permissions. Thank you for watching.